Imagine a tiny, fragrant spice that could profoundly enhance your well-being. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Today, we're spotlighting the unassuming yet potent spice, cloves. Let's delve into the astonishing transformations your body undergoes when you introduce just 2 grams of cloves to your daily diet. The effects are vast, and we're about to unpack each one. Ready? Let's jump in. Cloves, a treasure trove of antioxidants. Ever pondered what makes cloves so special? Beyond their distinct scent and the kick they add to dishes, cloves are brimming with essential nutrients. But here's the kicker. They're a veritable reservoir of antioxidants. Think of our bodies as a war zone, constantly battling oxidative stress and potential health threats. Antioxidants are our knights in shining armor, warding off these threats. Cloves, rich in antioxidants, have a secret weapon, eugenol. This compound is a titan in the antioxidant world. Research has shown that eugenol combats oxidative damage even more effectively than vitamin E. So when you sprinkle cloves in your food, you're not just enhancing taste, but fortifying your body's defenses. A potential guardian against cancer science continually surprises us, and cloves seem to have another ace up their sleeve. Preliminary research hints at cloves' potential role in cancer prevention. In some studies, clove extracts halted tumor growth and even sent cancer cells to their demise. And our hero, eugenol, seems to have anti-cancer properties too, particularly against cervical cancer cells, bacteria's worst nightmare. Imagine having a tiny army ready to combat harmful microbes in your body. Cloves might be that army. They've shown strong anti-microbial properties. In one study, clove essential oil combated several bacteria strains, including the infamous E. coli. Moreover, cloves might be your ticket to optimal oral health. Research indicates that compounds from cloves can combat oral pathogens. In a study with 40 participants, a herbal mouthwash containing cloves significantly improved oral health. Liver's best buddy. Is your liver seeking a wellness champion? Cloves might be the answer. Eugenol, our recurring hero, seems to have a soft spot for liver health. While we need more human studies, preliminary research is promising, suggesting that cloves and eugenol might support liver health and detoxification processes. A secret ally against blood sugar spikes. A dash of cloves might be the secret to stable blood sugar levels. Research on mice has shown that clove extracts can regulate blood sugar. Another study revealed that cloves enhance sugar absorption and insulin function, crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. A pillar for bone health. Aging gracefully isn't just about radiant skin. It's also about robust bones. With many facing the threat of low bone density, cloves might be the answer. Animal studies suggest that cloves, especially eugenol, can boost bone health. Plus, cloves are rich in manganese, a vital mineral for bone formation. A soothing touch for stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers can be agonizing. Research suggests that cloves might offer relief by enhancing the stomach's protective lining. Animal studies have shown that clove extracts can soothe and protect the stomach. If you found this information enlightening, please share your thoughts below. Your feedback guides us, ensuring we deliver content that resonates with you.